here we are, back in Loloki. We've got all the steps are in position now, so we can access the whole thing all the way up to there and along. And then down here we've got the fans now in place for the burner, which is a big help. And there. The boys have tidied up the tops of the condensers, so they're all nicely done now. Cable trays are all running beautifully. We're going to use vacuum in order to clear out the char. They've replaced the water tank. It's a 22,500 litre isotainer with a cooler up the top. And we've now got the walkways up around the side of the silos, which are absolutely superb. This is all in place now. There. On this side they've done a lovely job of tidying up the pipework. And Aurora. So the pipework's now nicely tidied up here. And we're busy with, let's put the pipework right into the fuel tank. We've got the space here now for the blending plant. And the walkway up here to get up on top of the system here. We'll go across there to the emissions testing point. Yes, the ports are still to be cut in it, but they're not far away. We've now got the flares in place up here. There we go. So the flares are going in place there. We have our walkways around here. The flares are on both sides, and then the air lines are going in. They've taken away the blockages here. Hello.
Hello, boss.
I'm Sandy. How are you?
I'm Mildred from Bolas Construction.
Oh, good. Pleased to meet you.
Painting on this.
Oh, you're doing the painting on it?
Yes.
You're the man who's going to turn it into a masterpiece. Yeah. Okay, so now we know where we're going. You finished there? Okay. Come up onto the walkway here, which is sagging a little bit for some reason. Is it my glasses? Might be my glasses. Okay, we're onto the walkway here. And we go up to the top, which is the highest point in the construction here. We now look down here. It's a very different animal to what it was when it first started.